you see, I have slime, so you know it's gonna be a slime video. Of course. So the first thing I have to say is I miss you, Ava. Again. Please come home, which you're coming home tomorrow, you said. So yeah. And the thing we're gonna be doing today, as you see in the title, the cringiest things people do with slimes that just hurt you on the inside. Like, stop. Oh, just like, you know what I mean. Because when people don't do the things that you're supposed to do with slime, like get the bubbles out, like, poke the bubbles, it just hurts me. So, let's do that right now. First thing is poking with one finger. Is aggressively poking. Next thing is not popping the bubble. Poking it while it's already poked and you didn't readjust it, you know. And you're literally poking the ground. Is not knowing how to do a swirl. Is not being calm with the slime, just being so rude to it. It's just seeing a slime being so plain and it just hurts you, and you really want like glitter in it or pigment, and you see it all right here, and you're like, come on, just do it, and they don't do it. And just keep it like this. Just staring at slime like it's gonna do something. Is when they had the slime all over the counter and they aggressively pick it up. You know what? Throw it in the trash. Because when they throw it around, they don't even catch it, and you know how slime gets dirt on it? And you're like, oh, no. Here it goes. No. There's all kinds of hair and stuff. Yeah, who cares? Just poking it with the utensil. And breaking the utensil. Okay, I don't think we can use that no more. Because when there's something right in front of the camera and they don't see it, or they don't even move it, and you're playing with the slime, and they're like, what's happening in the background? When they barely even poke it. Last thing is when they try to put it up to their face and like blow that bubble thing. That went well, didn't it? This is the worst slime, so I could try to do. Okay, but hope you liked the video, guys, and see you next time. this is just a little thing that some people do. Not saying certain people, just some people. I don't care if they do this. It's how they do it, but like it just cringes me so bad. Hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you you subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications. Should be either right here, and subscribe right here. And yeah, please subscribe. Give this video likes up to like 12 likes, please. Yes, I know my hair was a mess this whole video. That's even cringy. So, hope you liked it. Bye.